guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson and this is my daughter Remington. We got a request to make the copycat of the lemon loaf cake like you get at Starbucks, so I'm happy to deliver. And I thought that since she did such a good job making our last cake recipe that I'd let her do this one too. So throughout this video, we will be showing you the process of how the cake is made. And then at the end of the video, we'll be giving a taste test to let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and she'll get testing.
Yeah. That's ice cream.
No, this is yogurt, honey.
That's yogurt? Smells good. Can I make this one, you? Lemon.
Squeeze.
Wow. I did it. I did it. No. All melted. How is this? Eee, I get it. This way? This way?
Just a tiny bit.
Go, go. Mmm. Done. Can I lick it too? Can I lick it? Please. That one's mine. Hey, you. That's a lot on it.
So the cake has been frosted and it's like 99% of the way cool. So we're gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Do you wanna go first?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Ooh.
Good.
Good? Is it good? Here, can mommy take a bite? It's very lemony. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would know that I've made this before. Now that I made it again, I remember that the written instructions were not written properly. The milk in the recipe says to add a whole cup. I used a half a cup in this because I remembered when I was pouring it that it's not right. And now that I'm eating it, it's very gummy, and that's because it's way too much milk. Even with a half a cup, it's still too much. In the video, I eyeballed it. It looks like she has about 1/4 of a cup of milk, and that's what I used the last time I made it, and I just totally spaced it. But other than that, it's still really yummy. It's really a bright lemon flavor. So I am gonna rate this based on the written instructions, and I gotta say a 6, only because I know that the milk is the only thing that's off in the recipe. But other than that, this is really good. Really lemony, really moist. The frosting is really bright, but not in like a holy crap, I have a lemon in my mouth. You just need to know that you need to add 1/4 of the milk that she says.
I made cake. It's not yummy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Okay, yeah, careful, honey. Pick it up. It's okay. Clean it up. Pick it up. Oh.
We did it.
Yeah, good job.
We spilled.
It's okay. Let me take some pictures, okay? And then you will have it, okay? Can you chew with your mouth closed? Closed. Keep your lips together. Go. Can you do that? You can't. Okay.